Hey guys, I got a new load of vocabulary for you. 30 words in questions. Please answer my questions. Cheat, cheater. Have you ever caught someone trying to cheat during a game? Meaning. What is the meaning of friendship to you? Sound. Does the sound of rain help you sleep or does it keep you awake? Exam, examination. How do you usually prepare for an important exam? Announce, announcement. What kind of announcements make people happy? Management. Have you ever taken on a management role in a project? Percent. How much of your day do you think is spent on a productive work in percent? Otherwise. Do you think you should try new things? Otherwise, life might get boring. Souvenir. What is the most memorable souvenir you have ever received? Volunteer. Would you like to volunteer for a cause? Which one? Luggage. Do you prefer to travel with a lot of luggage or just a small bag? Email. How often do you check your email? Children. How do you think children learn best? Discuss, discussion. Do you enjoy having a discussion about different topics with friends? Form, formation. How do you think the formation of habits affects your lives? Full, fully. Is your schedule always full or do you have some free time? Mountain. Have you ever climbed a mountain before? Similar, similarly. Can you think of two places that are similarly beautiful? Whom? Whom do you admire the most in your life? Feed, fed, fed. Have you ever fed any wild animals? Identical. Would you like to have an identical copy of your favorite item? Accomplish, accomplishment. What's your biggest accomplishment so far? Beautiful. Do you think everyone has something beautiful about them? Confident, confidential. What's a good way to become more confident in speaking English? Disaster. How would you prepare for a natural disaster? Glass. Have you ever seen a building made mostly of glass? Total, totally. Do you feel totally relaxed when you are on vacation? Unexpected. Have you ever received an unexpected gift? Relative. Do you visit your relatives often? Photo. Photograph. Photographer. Do you like taking photos when you travel? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.